Hello everyone and welcome back to Canning Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Profitec espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to replace the water pump and adjust the expansion valve. And after that we discovered that this machine had a bunch of scale built up, as well as the group head of the machine, as you can see, in really bad shape. This is the original basket of the machine. Just for comparison, this is a new basket. This is the basket that the machine had. So yeah, it was better to replace it, put a new one, and put a new gasket as well. This one you can see is cracked as well. It's just not in good condition. We replaced the gasket of the machine, the one that is located on the E61 group head. We did clean everything in there, and we descaled this machine, both boilers. It was really difficult to descale both boilers, but we were able to do so. While we were descaling the boiler, the steam boiler, as you can see, completely clogged the shower screen of the hot water. This one that is located right here. You could see the whole scale build up all around it, and that was inside the machine. So we replaced that one, and as you can see, hot water comes out very well. So yeah, that's all we did with this espresso machine. We gave it a good descale, replaced the water pump, and did some adjustments, and of course cleaned it all around it. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. As you can see, we're getting one stream in the spout of the portafilter. That is because I tampered on that side. So whenever you tamper, you need to really make sure it's on a level surface. But if you put a little force on the other side, you will get first liquid will be here or there. In this case, we got it here, and now that is channeling through, we're getting a nice steady stream through the portafilter. Gonna stop it. Go. 1 ounce of coffee, 1 shot of espresso, nice crema, looking great. As you can see, the flow coming out from the group head is a nice steady stream as well. Steam for this machine is nice and steady, excellent pressure, really great steam. And hot water, nice steady stream as well, working great. So there you have it, Profitec working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Canning Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.